Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks you can learn to be able to read and write in English language. You will never forget the letter H with the tricks I will be showing you in this video. If you want to follow up on the tricks I reveal on how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Have you been following my videos? I love you. You are a good friend. You should also try to follow up the previous episodes so that you can be able to understand this video. To know how to read and write in English language, you must know how to pronounce the English alphabet. In the English alphabet, every letter comes in the small letter and the capital letter. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. The small letter H and the capital letter H is the 8th letter of the alphabet. There are 2 letters on the screen. The first is the capital letter H and the second is the small letter H. The first trick you must know is that all letters in English language, in whatever you are reading it from, is always moving to the right side of the hand. The letter H is pronounced as H, H, H. Let me give you a trick to always remember the letter H. Letter H is similar to the sound most people make when they sneeze. H, H, H. Keeping this in mind, you will never forget the letter H. Another trick is to know the particular part of the mouth to use when pronouncing the letter H. When pronouncing the letter H sound, the mouth is open. Then the middle tongue touches the upper gum to produce the H sound. Another thing you need to know is that the English alphabet has phonic sounds. The phonic sound of letter H is If you don't want to forget the letter H sound, then remember the sound most people make as an indication that they are tired. Keeping this in mind, you will never forget the sound. The mouth is opened slightly, making a passage for the sound. Between the letter H and the phonic sound of letter H, which of them is more interesting to you? Drop the answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, letter H sounds. Let's recite it and say it quickly. Letter H sounds. Letter H sounds. Letter H sounds. Letter H sounds. Wow! Great job! Examples of English words that begins with letter H sounds are as in hen, as in hat, as in helmet. Another trick I will tell you is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placement of a stroke, a curve, and a dash. You can look on your screen to see the diagrams. For the small letter H, it is formed with a stroke and a curve down below. For the capital letter H, it is formed with a stroke to the left, a stroke to the right, and a dash at the middle. So, between the small letter H and capital letter H, which of them has more lines? Drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.